Alright, baby, so here's the path. There's the stairs. I just came down them. See? And then now we're gonna go this way. Alright, so let's go for a little stroll here. You guys see this? This is very beautiful out here. I grew up here. It's in Keizer, over at a park. I don't remember the name of it. It's been a long time since I've been here, so I'm not even sure what to expect. Let's go for a little stroll, like I said. Check it out. You never know. Crazy stuff everywhere. Yeah. Can you sense it? All the way. Jesus, more steps, steps, steps. Then we're down here, still walking, looking around, trying to find out if this leads to the water or not. There's wood everywhere. It's actually kind of cool out here. But like I said, it's been a long time since I've been here. But yeah, look. There's water over there. A path that goes up that way. I could go either way, but I'm going to go back and I'm going to run. Alright, let's go. Running back. Running back. Running back. We're going to run all the way back. Up the steps. Up the steps. That's the second pair of steps. Now we got to get to the first pair of steps. Over the hole. Boom. Back all the way to the steps.